Vitamin B6, also called pyridoxal phosphate, is a very important vitamin. Your body needs it to manufacture neurotransmitters, to make hemoglobin, the oxygen-carrying protein in your blood, and also to metabolize various nutrients. Despite being a water-soluble vitamin, toxicity can occur. Toxicity is very unlikely to occur from diet, but it can occur from supplementation. Over-supplementation of vitamin B6 can cause permanent and irreversible nerve damage. So it's very important to coordinate with your doctor if you're going to be supplementing vitamin B6. Interestingly, vitamin B6 deficiency can also cause nerve damage. So if you're afraid of supplementing vitamin B6 because over-supplementation can cause serious nerve damage, you might want to try eating the foods that are high in vitamin B6, such as potatoes, pistachios, bananas, beef, and pork. Well, that's all I have to say about vitamin B6. I hope you liked the video, and thanks for watching.